Hi students, welcome to Chemistry Online class. In the previous class, I discussed about when structure is given, then we are writing the IUPAC name. Now, when name is given, then we have to write the structure of the organic compound. So, what are the rules for this? Now, the heading is, I am not writing, just note that if you want. When structure is, name is given, then we have to write the, or we have to draw the structure. First one, what is the rule? Based on the root word, draw or write the principal carbon chain. The first one, what is it? Based on the root word, draw the or write the principal carbon chain. That is the first one. Based on the root word, draw or write the principal carbon chain. Second one is based on the locand number. Locand number is position number. Based on locand number, attach the substituent or functional group or multiple bond, which is present that we have to attach. Based on the locand number, attach the substituent, functional group, multiple bond. Based on locand number, attach the substituent, functional groups, multiple bonds. Third one. Remaining valence is satisfied with the hydrogen. Remaining valence is satisfied with the hydrogen. These three rules are there. Because we know the carbon valence how much? 4. So when you attach the double bond or function group multiple substituent, some may be less is there valence. At that time we have to attach a hydrogen. That we know that. If bond length structure is written, that means no need to write a hydrogen. Clear this is? Now, tell anyone the name if you know. See, 4-ethyl, 1-fluoro, 2-nitro, benzene. What is the root word here? Benzene. So we know that benzene is the root word here. This is clear? Now, first position your choice here. Where the compound is given, numbering is the rules are there. Here no rules. Which one you are pointing one, that is the first. This is you want first, okay. This is you want first, okay. That is your choice. Where you want now first position? Tell which position you want. Top, bottom, left, right, where? Top. Then which position here? This is the floor. Then after this is fourth. Then this is the second or this is second. Anyone equal. Over. This is the very simplest way to write the structure. This is only yesterday we discussed this molecule. That time how it is there? Here fluorine is there, here nitro is there, here ethyl is there. Observe it. Both are identical. Because name same is there. Name same is identical. Got the point here? No. One more example. 2-bromo, 5-methyl. One more I will write here. 4-chloro. Next, 3-ethyl, 5-methyl decane. Here no space, that should be continuous. Like this name is given. Now, which is the root word here? Dec. Not decane. Decane is a total subcategory. Dec is the root word. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear this? At which position bromine is there? Now, which direction you want? Left is here second or here second? That is your choice here. Before that, numbering rules are there. No rules here. Which one direction you want? Left side or right side? Huh? Left. Okay. Otherwise, because you have to learn like this only, because anyway you can add and subtract. If you add here, then our mindset should be left side only correct. That's why I'm giving right side. And then fourth position, what is there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position, low. 3 position, what is there? Ethyl. Fifth position, what is there? This is fourth, this is methyl. This total waste. Like this also here. So I am not giving more number of examples. One basic respect to give and one is like one double one respect to give. Tell. Do you know any name? Tell, I will write it. No? Okay. 1,6-dimethyl, 1,6-dimethyl, cyclohexane. This already we studied in the last class. That example I remember, that one I am writing here. Come on. What is the root word? Hex. Hex means how many carbon? 6. But cycle also is there. It means cycle. At which position we have the double one? Any one position now. Your choice. Top, bottom, left, right, your choice. Where you want? Here, anywhere you can write. No problem. If I want to write here, no problem. That is only one for me. And next, one position is 6. This is 1. Or here also 1. That is your choice. Sixth position means which one? This is sixth position. Why it is sixth position? Because when double bond is a consecutive number, you have to use. There is 1, it is 2 only. This is not 2. Then here 6. Okay. Clear this? This example we studied with the 3 structures like this. These 3 numbering ways will be discussed. Now this is difficult. When name is here, writing the structure is very easy. That's why I am not discussing much example. This is a very simplest. You can write your welcome. When you are writing the bond line, no need to indicate the hydrogen. If it is given like consider but 2enol like this given. But 2enol may be given. Write the structure. What is the root word? But 1, 2, 3, 4. Because now I am not writing the bond line structure. Now Lewis complete structure I am writing. AL is there. AL means what is that? Functional group, which one that is? Aldehyd. Aldehyd group always terminal. Which terminal you want? Left or right? That is your choice. Right also you can write, left also you can write. And now I am writing left side because you can write any one direction. Personally I am writing this left side. Okay? Which position double bond is there? This is 1, this is a 2. Clear is it? Now, remaining the balance is satisfied. 1, 2, 3, 4 is satisfied. No need to write the hydrogen for first carbon. This first carbon, second carbon, third, fourth. For here, 1, 2, 3 is here 1 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3 is 1 hydrogen. Then here 1 hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen. This is 4. Satisfied. Now third would be applied. Because this is satisfied with the hydrogen. What is the name of this compound? This IUPAC. Common name is there anything? Earlier teacher chapter only, now we are watching videos. Aldol condensation only may be completed 2-3 days back. You are not watching videos, you are already there in the class version, not okay. It is aldol condensation reaction when aldehyde undergoes self-aldol reaction, then it forms aldol condensed protein called protonaldehyde. This is common name. Remember? Not remember. You have to remember, very important, each and every line you have to practice. If I am teaching, you are just listening, that time you are feeling good, mean okay, everyone feel good only. Why all are not getting the same answer? Because who are practice, they will get the good marks, not practice the normal marks. That is only the difference for the proper and normal students. So this, I will stop here, this nomenclature part. Now we will go for isomerism part. Like anyone given, you like to add it. There is no difficulty here. Next one is isomerism. Before going to isomerism, you should learn degree of unsaturation. Degree of unsaturation. This is called simply DU. Index of hydrogen deficiency. This is called IHD. Other also name is the degree of index of hydrogen deficiency. If any another name is I am not remembering. If next class also I will maybe explain that. So these two names, but mainly we are using this degree of unsaturation. Okay. Another name I am not remembering. I will tell you the example. So degree of unsaturation means what? Unsaturation means any multiple bond may be present or ring may be present. Keep in mind, this is the ethane. I can write this is CH2, CH2. Carbon balance is satisfied here. Here how much? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Satisfied carbon balance satisfied. Here 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Not satisfied carbon balance. To satisfy the carbon balance, what I have to do? You can place the hydrogen both sides. Otherwise, you can place the bond. When you are placing one bond, how many hydrogens are lost? 2. Got the point here? When you are placing a pi bond, 2 hydrogens are removed. Another one, CH3, CH2, CH3. What is this? Propane. If I want to remove one hydrogen, then what I can write here? CH2. This is CH2. Balance is satisfied? No. To satisfy, what I have to do? Don't place double bond here. Just make a bond. So when 2 hydrogens are removed, then one ring is formed. Got the point here? So if one pi bond or one ring is there, how many hydrogens are lost? 2. Got the point? One pi bond or one ring removes the 2 hydrogens. So that is only called degree of unsaturation. Clear this is? Then how to define this degree of unsaturation? Degree of unsaturation can be just listen. Definition not even no one asks. No one asks definition. Just listen. Because competitive exam right or wrong, that only I have put here. Peace purpose is that each and everything detail is now 60 or 70 classes completed by first PUC, still not completed. But this chapter, that is PUC and along with the completed. Did you read? Now, degree of unsaturation, what is there? Degree of unsaturation can be calculated for a given molecular formula by comparing the given number of hydrogen with the actual number of hydrogen possible. Not understand. I know that. When you are directly speaking, no one understand. One example I will see. C4H6. This is compared to alkene. Alkene general formula what is it? CnH2n plus C4H 2 into 4, 8 plus 2, 10. Got the point here? So this is actual number, maximum number of hydrogen possible for 4 carbon. For 4 carbon, how many maximum number of hydrogen? 10. But here how much given? This is actually given in this formula. This is actual number of hydrogen. This is maximum number of possible hydrogen. So how to calculate the degree of Earth saturation? Degree of Earth saturation calculated for a given molecular formula by comparing actual number of hydrogen with maximum number of hydrogen possible. Now understand it? That is the degree of Earth saturation. So how much difference is there here? Don't tell -4. Then difference how much here? 4 is there. If 2 hydrogens are removed, 1 pi bond or 1 ring. Here how many hydrogens are removed? 4. 4 hydrogens are removed in how much degree of Earth saturation? 2. 2 removed in 1 degree of Earth saturation. 4 removed in how much? Yes or 2 no? That is only the degree of Earth saturation. But always we can't calculate like this. It is the simplest formula. Immediately you answer that. That's why like this simplified form. 2 hydrogens are removed. 2 hydrogens are removed. 1 degree of unsaturation. This is well known now only. Now number of hydrogen whatever are here. Number of hydrogen removed. That is how much degree of unsaturation. Cross multiply number of hydrogens removed. Number of hydrogen removed. Next forward. Number of hydrogen removed into 1 degree of unsaturation by 2 hydrogens removed. Hydrogens removed cancel. Here how much number is there? That is the answer. Divided that. Now we got the 4 hydrogens removed, 4 by 2 and d. Then how much answer? 2d. What is the point? This is simplest way. But if you see any other objective book, like this will not appear. Because they are simplified form, they will be given one formula. du is equal to half of 2 into c plus 2. 2 into c plus 2 plus nitrogen minus hydrogen plus x. If bracket is there, it's minus 1. This is the formula. What we did, this is same. Then if I explain this, it take again nearly 10-15 minutes or nearly 5, at least 5 minutes to take this. So instead of that, we can follow the simplicity. What is the point here? This is indicating what is that? This one number. See? 2n plus 2. This n is carbon plus 2. N, if it is there in the molecular formula, it increase 1 hydrogen. Hydrogen is there. It will, when hydrogen loss, then only 1 degree of minus is there. X is there, that also lost 1 hydrogen. That I want to show you. See, this is the mean aim. How many hydrogens are there? 4. Satisfied? If I want to write CH3NH, CH4, C with how many hydrogens are required? Maximum 4. 3 plus 1. 4 is there? 1 extra hydrogen is there. That's it, plus nitrogen. Because when nitrogen comes, 1 hydrogen increase. Next, if you take the halogen CH3X, how many hydrogens are there? Here how much is it? Then what happens when halogen is present? 1 decrease. That's why minus. If oxygen group is there, 3 plus 1, any change is there? No, that's the oxygen atom not appearing. Clear? Sulfur also is there, then what is there? No change. Sulfur, oxygen. It means divalency atoms are there. Here not appear. Trivalency atoms like nitrogen, boron, aluminium is there. Here right here. Generally in our organic chemistry, which is there? Nitrogen. That's why formula created with the nitrogen. If boron is a boron right here, aluminium is an aluminium right here. Mono well is generally halogen is only chlorine, bromine, chlorine, iodine, like this. Clear this is? So put in this formula, you will get the same answer. Now, take this one formula I given. What is it? C4H6. Why it is by 2? Because this 2 is in here. That process. That is only by 2. So each and everything I explain here what is involved in this formula. Now, number of carbon over here. 4 into 2. 8 plus 2. 10. Got the point? Nitrogen is there? No, then 0. 10 plus 0? 10. Here hydrogens, how much you have given? 6. 10 minus 6? 4. Halogens are 0 is there. Then 4. 4 by 2? Then what we got answer? 2. This is easy or this is easy? Anyone, that is your choice. Clear this? Okay. Now, for this, degree of unsaturation format 2. So du is equal to 2. This 2 mean what is it? 1 du mean what is the meaning? It may be 1 pi bond or 1 ring. So 2 du mean what is the, what are the possibilities? 1 du mean, sorry, du mean what is it? 1 pi bond or 1 ring. Here what is it? 2 pi bond. Possibilities I am writing here. 2 pi bonds. Another is 2 rings. Clear? 2 pi bond meaning what is that? Double bond 2. One is sigma bond, another is pi bond. Sigma bond, pi bond. Another possibility what is that? Triple bond. Because in a one sigma bond, 2 pi bond. This possible. Here what is the 2 rings? 2 rings we consider, this is one. 2 rings are, which one is this? Fused or bridged head? Fused. These 2 rings are. Another possibility what is that? 1 pi bond plus 1 ring. Got the point? So what is the 1 pi bond? That is one double bond, no triple bond. Because in triple bond, how many pi bonds are there? 2 pi bonds. Then 1 ring. Like this. Ring. But here not satisfying in this form. Just I am telling you ring. So ring only write, otherwise don't confuse. So all possibilities draw here. Total how many carbons are there? 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. With respect to this, 1 double bond, second double bond. Other possibility what is that? Double bond here, double bond here. Possibility is there or not? Over with this. You can't write here double bond and here. If you remove here and here, both are same. No, first one and this one. Same. That's why. Don't write a similar, which is different than what you have write. This one. With respect to this, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear this? Next with this, I will say my thinking this is good. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogens also satisfied or not? Check. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. 4, 5, 6. Here also we get 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1. Here also we get 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. Satisfied. Then here, let us look at this we get 1 ring. 1. This. 4 carbons, 2 to 4, 5, 6. Got the point here? These many structures are possible. Then you may ask the question, then why we have to learn this? Because when you are going to write the isomers, all these possible. All these are isomers. Same molecular different structures are different connectivities and what you call it? Isomers. To write the number of isomers, you should know degree of unsaturation. Got the point? Now, one more example. This is the first example. C6H10. This is homework for you because similar type this is. No any heteroatom is not here. Next, C5H8O. But this somewhat lengthy is there. Before this, I will give one more example because number of carbon 5. I will give a smaller carbon. C3H6O. This is a homework. Now we will do this. Otherwise, see how to calculate this formula. If you go with that, that is also okay. This is also okay. In these 3 steps are there. What is the first step? We have to calculate first step is maximum number of hydrogen. Second step is maximum number of hydrogen minus actual number of hydrogen. Third one, this one, this third one. 1, 2, this third one is this one only. Now I will explain the both. With this formula, what is the maximum number of hydrogen? Maximum number of hydrogen this is one. In alkene, what is the formula? H2n plus 2 is the formula. That is. So maximum number of hydrogen 2n plus 2. How much carbons are given here? 3. It means n equal to 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So maximum number of hydrogen 8. Second step, what is that here? Maximum number of hydrogen minus actual number of hydrogen. 8 minus 6. How much? 2. 8 minus 6, that is 2. Then third one, what is that? This formula. 2 for 1. Then this 2 for 1. It means how much is it? 2 equal to 1 du. And then here also we got 2. Then how much du? Cross multiply 2 by 2 how much? 1. Clear this is?